Today I'm gonna style this kurta and I'm thinking of wearing it like a dress today. And it's actually sleeveless. I've just worn another layer inside because it's pretty cold for me. First, I'm gonna try to increase the length of this kurta. Right now it's at the knee and I can do it in a very nice way. So I'm just going to wear this pleated skirt underneath, and as I wanted, the length has been increased and we got a tiny layer of a border basically of the frilly skirt, which is nice, but I'm still thinking we can do more with this. Let's add a belt. Just a small tip to use a rubber band here because, well, the belt has to be held somehow. I'm going to go with these very sleek thread earrings. Of course, I'm already wearing a necklace. I think it's visible now. This is my final look. I'm not so sure about the earrings. They're so sleek, they're not even visible. I may change them, but overall, this is my look, which I absolutely love. I changed my earrings, same type but a bit heavier.